Hello everyone and welcome back again to our YouTube channel Bullows Paintshop Tales. Today we are going to do unboxing of another pressure fed gun. Yes, this time this is MAL-H1 pressure fed spray gun of nozzle setup 1mm. This pressure fed gun is again used into high end productions where there is a higher production requirement and good quality finish required. So this gun is MAL-H1 pressure fed Bullows spray gun. So let me get you to the connections of this gun. So here this is 1/4 inch BSP connection which allows the compressed air to pass into the gun body, and this knob over here, this knob controls the airflow. This knob controls the compressed airflow. This connection is 3/8 inch BSP wherein the paint hose gets connected to the gun. This knob controls the flow of the paint, which controls the needle. This is the trigger. This controls the pattern of the spray, that is narrow and wide. This is the air cap. This is the air cap. And this is the tip. Presently in this gun you can see this is 1mm tip. So this gun basically is been used for higher finish applications. Also the air pressure, operating air pressure for this gun is around 1.5 bar to 2 bar. In the box we get accessories as such. This is multi-spanner, gun brush and an extra air nipple which gets connected for the compressed air. This is the part list where all the parts can be ordered while reordering process or servicing. This is a troubleshooting diagram, instructions. So this was the unboxing video of MAL-H1 pressure fed spray gun. Please do like this video, comment and share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and do let us know your views. Also please subscribe to our channel and keep supporting us. Thank you.